Hello everyone, and for today I want to show you such a small feature in Junit 5 like a display name, but nevertheless important one and very useful. It helps test classes and message to declare custom names with spaces, special characters and even emojis. Also you can provide display name generation annotation which has predefined classes that you can use. Standard, simple, replace underscores, indicative sentences, and so on. You can also set up default display name generator inside Junit platform properties with parameter Junit Jupyter display name generator default. And you will see that there are some precedence rules. First of all, display name, then following display name generation, and the last one, display name generation, configured with the configuration parameter that can be overridden by this one and this one. Okay, let's jump inside IntelliJ IDEA and look at some examples. First of all, let's look at display names. You can define it on class level. You can specify spaces in display names, you can use emojis, and you can use special characters. Okay, let's run our test and look how it will be displayed inside IntelliJ IDEA. Yeah, you see that we successfully passed this test, that we see spaces and emoji is also displayed correctly. Let's move on and try display name generation annotation. As I said, you had some predefined options that you can use. Let's check these options. 4 options: indicative sentences, replace underscore, standard, and simple. Okay, let's let replace underscore to be here, and we will try to run this test. As you see, there are some underscores in test method name. Let's run, and you see that these underscores is missed now. So it worked as expected. But as I said previously, we have some precedence rule. So if we have display name, and if you remember correctly, display name has the strongest one, so it will override this annotation. Let's try and check. Yeah, we see that value inside display name annotation is displayed here. Okay, let's move on and check what display name generator simple does. As we see, it simply removed our parentheses. Let's check. This generator extends the functionality of display name generator standard by removing parentheses found at the end of method names with no parameters. Okay, great. And we know that it extends standard class. Okay, let's move on and try this one. And we see the similar result. So, to be honest, I don't know the real difference, but I can guess that its IntelliJ IDEA do work for us and help us to display it in more concise and beautiful way. And I think that if we will use command line interface to run our test, it will be much uglier, and here we will see these parentheses. Okay, let's move on and look at indicative sentences. What will we see here? We see that display name generation annotation, and we specify indicative sentences here. So we see that comma appeared in our test method. Okay, but you can change this behavior and use specified indicative sentences generation annotation and specify here separator and specify here generator that you wish to use. So let's run the test and see result. Yeah, okay. Our test test names misses underscores because we have replaced underscores, and we also have new separator here. So the last one thing that I want to show you, set default generation strategy. So I will increment here, and we see that Junit Jupyter display name generator default set to replace underscores. Okay, we can move. Let's create simple test. Okay, we set our default generator to replace underscore, and we can check our simple method that we made inside test example class. Let's run and see result. Yeah, as expected, we can see underscores and we see spaces instead. Okay, thanks a lot for your attention. Have a good day, bye, and see you in the following videos.